Explain it, what we're doing. As we have a color retouch going, we have a black band from previous older color that we want to remove, and then she's light at the ends. So we're going to apply what we call a bleach bath, and we have lightener, 10 volume, and a drop of shampoo, 1 pump of shampoo in the mixture. And we're applying it from where the regrowth, where we stopped with that. Applying that onto the hair up to the ends. And then we're melting that through so that that will be lifting up as her regrowth is. The back is almost finished. So you can see the band is coming out nicely. And then we're going to go over with the Shades EQ gloss. So now we've mixed Redken Shades EQ 6R Rocket Fire and Shades EQ Equalizing Solution, and we are going to apply that mid-shaft to ends just quickly, let it time out for probably about 7 to 8 minutes, and then rinse. So now we are towel drying it to make sure that we have our blended regrowth into where the band started. And we do.